Hail Biafra. This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment.
So, after yesterday's video where the Igbos, that's the Biafrans, declared that they don't want to belong to Nigeria anymore, they have officially divided, or should I say, pulled out of Nigeria completely. Information reached out that the President Tinubu actually stands for the arrest of anyone in attendance, allegedly. I'm not going to put out the video here because I don't really think, I can't vouch the authenticity of the videos. I'm not really sure of the information, so I can't share it now. For now, it is still alleged. But I think I have a problem where a lot of Yoruba'S have actually come out to share that if Igbos truly wants to exist, says thank God, thankfully they were seen congratulating Igbos and yelling them that they did something good. They also try to drag Igbos by saying that they should immediately exit Lagos. If Igbos do not want to belong to Nigeria anymore, then they should immediately exit Lagos, Nigeria as well. I'm going to let you guys watch the videos and of course how the whole buzz was going on social media, because Yoruba'S are very angry with the Igbos and I felt they did not take the right path.
Igbo must go. I did Lagos. And for the first time since I've been hearing about Igbo-Yoruba confrontation in Lagos, in Nigeria, you can actually see real panic on the faces of these Igbo people. And then I began to wonder, so all of these times we've been hearing things like Lagos is no man's land. So a set of people can actually threaten to chase another set of people from Lagos and they can be in so much panic. Thank God for the timely intervention of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. But my concern is this. These are the same set of people that will tell you, leave us, let us go. We want to do Biafra. But now they are saying, okay, go. But then you started complaining. Our businesses, our properties. What exactly does the Igbo man want? Let me just tell you something, and this statement is void of tribal bias. If this old disregard still continues, then the intervention by Mr. Governor is just a temporary solution. The ticking time bomb will still explode. There is beauty in one Nigeria, but not when I come to your place and I respect you, and then you come to my place and serve me bullshit. It doesn't work that way.
The truth still remains that Igbos are not the problem of Yoruba'S. The earlier they understand that, the better. Why are people always jumping into conclusion? Biafrans said they want to be alone. They don't want to belong in Nigeria anymore. Why are Yoruba'S fighting it? Of course, Yoruba'S also are requesting for Dudua, right? Well, watch more videos.
Yoruba, Hausa, Bini, and other states, please. Igbos are not your problem. Igbos are not the cause of Nigeria's failure as a country. Please, don't make anybody brainwash you to believe that Igbos are the problem of the bad country. No, Igbos have not ruled this country for the past 40 years. Igbos have not decided anything in this country for the past 40 years. It's Hausa, Fulani, and Yoruba'S that are ruling us. The problem we are having is Hausa, Fulani, and Yoruba. Don't let these people brainwash you to make you feel that Igbos are the problem. Igbos are never the problem. Igbos have not been in government for the past 40 years. Igbo rose from the ashes of Biafra genocide to become Nigeria's most prosperous group with the widest wealth distribution. After the civil war, with the confiscation of their money in the bank by the Nigerian government, Igbo dusted themselves and started rebuilding without the help of the Nigerian government. People that faced 3 years of brutal war of aggression and destruction, today is one of the most successful ethnic nationalities in Nigeria. And there are people that are making you to believe that people that faced 3 years war are the problem of the country. Never. Igbo is not the problem of Nigerians.
I want to say big congratulations to the Igbos worldwide. Like, I am truly impressed. Biafra has finally been declared yesterday in Finland, which means that you guys will leave Lagos State alone. You guys won't try to impose Chinedu on Lagos State as governor. You understand? Especially Nedu, congratulations to you. You know, I'm truly happy for you. At least you guys can all go back to Finland, or you move back to your southeast region where you can do your thing. At least Lagosians will rest, Southwest will rest. Isn't this a good thing? It's a fucking good thing. Yeah, congratulations to you guys.
One of the problems with this whole thing is that some states, like some newly mentioned states that now belongs to Biafra, some of them do not want to belong to Biafra. Some of them has actually come out to share that, see, we want Biafra to stay, but they don't want to be among Biafrans. Let me show you guys these videos.
If anybody is telling you about Biafra, first and foremost, I've been saying it, Chimelechi said it, Ebonyi State will never be part of Biafra. we are not Biafra.
But there's a big problem. And the problem here is, during the declaration, they mentioned that they are going to have 40 states. And this 40 states captures the south-south part of Nigeria. Now, based on my interview with many south-south indigenes, they don't want to join the Igbos. They said Igbos should go with their 5 states, that the south-south are not joining them. And the Igbos have added the south-south among the number of states that is going to be joining the Biafra. So the question here is, are they going to force them to join? Because many of those south-south don't want to join the Igbos. And this is the funny thing. The reason why the Igbos are leaving Nigeria is the same reason why those south-south don't want to join the Igbos. Because according to them, if they join the Igbos, they are going to be marginalized. And it is because of marginalization that the Igbos are leaving Nigeria. Is this not funny? This thing is somehow funny because when you talk about the south-south states, we have Bayelsa, we have Rivers, we have Delta, we have Edo, we have Cross River, and then we have Akwa Ibom. These are the 6 south-south states in Nigeria. And the Biafra map covers these south-south states. But they have refused that they are not going to join the Igbos. So what do you think about this whole thing? Do you think the south-south is right to say they are not joining the Igbos? Or they are wrong? Because for many of them, they don't want to join the Igbos. And the Igbos have added them to the 40 states. They are saying that it is not by force to join the Igbos. The same way the Igbos are saying it is not by force to join Nigeria. So my own take on this is this. Please, I urge the Nigerian federal government to allow these people to go. Yes. If the Igbos want to get their country, allow them to get their country. There's nothing wrong with them wanting to get their country. Yes, secession is part of the international law. After it has been signed through the United Nations and other international bodies, they will recognize the Biafran Republic and they will become a country. They are not going to be pursued. They are not going to be chased from Nigeria because you can live in a foreign country. Yes, Nigerians can travel to East. They can also travel back to Nigeria. That is how it's supposed to be. And the Igbos in Nigeria don't even need to move to their country because they are not going to live in Nigeria with their international passport. So Nigeria should just let these people go. If that is what will actually make them happy. Because right now, from what I'm seeing, these people have made up their mind and they want to leave Nigeria. I urge the federal government to allow the Igbos go because if they feel they are going to do well as a country, they should go because the Nigerian government is in mess. Yes, you can't blame them 100%. I'm just saying the truth. I always say the truth in this platform because I don't say truth bitter past bitter cola for Nigeria. But I don't blame the Igbos for wanting to get their country. We grow from one worse government to another worse government every day. Now we leave Buhari's regime that is worse. We come to Tinubu regime more worse. We don't know the next person coming in. So I don't blame the Igbos for wanting to get their country. But the problem here is that they should not add the South-South state because the South-South people don't want to join them. They should go with their 5 states while the rest people remain in Nigeria.
First of all, I will say a huge congratulations to Biafra for winning this, okay? Even though some people kept saying things like, why was it done in Finland? But I guess they don't know histories. Regardless, I wouldn't jump into that much. Let me quickly address some comments here, okay? I don't know why Yoruba'S always see Igbos as the threat, okay? This is not me being biased or something. I don't really understand why. They just did some declaration yesterday. Immediately, Yoruba'S are already on social media calling Igbos to exit Lagos. Is Lagos the only thing you guys have? Can't you? So the truth remains that tribalism will not take Nigerians anywhere. The reason why Nigeria is the way they are today is because of tribalism. Igbos have been crying since the time of Ojukwu, right? That they want to, Biafra needs to stay. They want to be cut out of Nigeria. You know, and I feel like the last speaker said, if these guys wants to leave, why can't they be granted that? On my last video where I said, united we stand, divided we fall, I got a lot of backlash on that video. As a presenter, I have to put it out there respectively, okay? If Nigeria will work as a unity, let it happen. If Nigeria will be better as divided, let it still happen. If Biafrans at this point, they've actually looked at the bigger pictures and they said they want to be called Biafra, they want to be called United States of Biafra, they don't want to belong anymore under Nigeria. Why is this so difficult to do? Why some Nigerians were, sharing their concerns? They talked about the fact that what is going to happen to the, the president, the soldiers, the military, a lot of things, but it is doable. Nigeria will not be the only country that is divided. If things are not working out as unity, guess it might most likely work out when we have finally divided. I have not really seen a video where Tinubu sent people to be arrested, even though I don't know, I think right now it's a fake news or it's a scam news, allegedly. That's why I cannot put out some videos. I saw some videos, but I don't think those videos are actually genuine, so that I don't put myself in, situations that might actually be difficult for me. So this is the reason why I had to dish those videos because I don't know how serious they are. But then why are some people calling? I think, like the last speaker said, if some states do not want to belong in Biafra, then I think that list should be amended. Okay, let them. We must not be up to 40 states to hold Biafra. It can be less. Probably they should work with the 5 states and then position them, or like break them into small states to make meet up with what they want. Because I don't understand why some people are calling out that they don't want to be tagged to those states. They don't want to belong in Biafra, basically. But then I would still want to know what you guys think in the comments. Have you ever seen a video of Tinubu requesting these guys to be arrested in Finland? Do you think Tinubu can control people all the way from Nigeria to Finland to get these guys arrested? Let me know what you think in the comments.